Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. R.C. Chauhan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. We are discussing MSc Physics, semester 2nd, paper 5th, that is Classical Electrodynamics. And in the unit 1st, today's chapter is Magnetohydrodynamics, and the topic is magnetic diffusion. Now, our question is that what means of the magnetic diffusion? What is the definition of it? So, as earlier we know very well that the diffusion, that is the movement of the particles from the high density to low density, this is called the diffusions. In the chemistry as well as in the physics, we have all discussed the diffusions. Now here, that is the magnetic diffusions. So what means of that? The definition of that: the motion of the magnetic field lines, typically in the presence of the conducting solids or the fluids like the plasma. So that magnetic field lines will be moved from one point to other point, or the diffuse from the one point to other point in the plasma. That is called the magnetic diffusions. For the details of it, in the confined plasma, that is contains in the particular media or the container or the vessel, and the charged particles diffuses owing to the presence of the density or the pressure gradient from the interior to the outside, and it may escape from the wall of the containing vessels. What means of that? Means in the presence of the magnetic field, that particles of these contents, or you can say plasma, will move from the interior to exterior, and it may also the escape from the container. So this is the diffusion of the plasma by the magnetic fields, and it is due to pressure gradient or the density gradient. Means there is a change in density as well as a change in the pressure, and they will move from the high to low. What is the region of the diffusion in plasma? Collisions between the neutral particles and the ions and electrons. We know very well the plasma are contents at the matter at the very high temperature. They have the high kinetic energy, and due to this kinetic energy, high kinetic energy, the particles or the contents of this one is like the neutral particle and the ions and electron, they will be collide to each other, and they can also escape from it. Now we switch over to the equation, that is magnetic diffusion equation. There are the del B by del T equal to del cross V cross B plus 1 divided by mu naught sigma multiplied by the del square B, where mu naught is permeability of the free space and the sigma is here the electrical conductivity, and the V is the velocity of the plasma. The first term is related with the induction of the plasma, while the second equation is related with the diffusion of it. Means first is related with the induction of the plasma due to because the magnetic field is applied on it, and this one the container is also contains the magnetic field, because there are the particles are the charged due to the motion of this one. There is the induction between the magnetic field outside applied or the magnetic field of the contents of the plasma, and the second is the diffusion. The diffusion term is related with the dissipation, or that is the loss of the energy, resulting a loss of the magnetic field energy to the heat. Due to the diffusion, it may be loss of the energy in form of the heat, because there is the collisions. Now the derivation of it, let us consider the Lorentz force. We know very well that F equal to Q V E plus V cross B, because this is electromagnetic Lorentz force for the electric as well as the magnetic field are there. As earlier we know very well that the V equal to IR, and that can be written in terms of the sigma, that is conductivity. So R equal to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity, and the 1 by rho is called the sigma, that is the conductivity, and that is the NE square divided by the VME, where the V is the velocity, N is the number of electrons per unit volume, E is the charge of electron, M is the mass of electron. So for per unit volume, the force small f is the capital F by the volume, and similarly charge density is Q by the volume. So can be done F equal to rho E plus V cross B. F is the charge density, that is rho is the charge density, charge per unit volume. So we can say that J equal to the rho into V. So this formula is written F equal to rho E plus J cross B, and here we can write J equal to sigma multiplied by the E plus V cross B. So this is just like the Ohm's law. Now the Maxwell Curls equations, del cross B equal to mu 0 multiplied by the J plus epsilon naught del E by del T, or the mu 0 J, because if the low frequency there is no displacement, that is there, that is negligible. So second one is the del cross E equal to minus del B by del T. So here J equal to, from the equation above you can write del cross B by the mu naught. Substituting in the that is Ohm's law, del cross B by the mu naught sigma equal to the E plus V cross B. Now which gives the electric field E equal to del cross B by mu naught sigma, and this gives them equal to minus V cross B. By taking curl on the both sides, we see del cross E equal to del cross B by the mu naught sigma minus del cross V cross B. Now using the equation, Maxwell third equation, del cross equal to, we can write minus del V by del T. So substituting, we can write del V by del T plus V del B equal to del V by del T. That is the combined equation, that is called material derivative. Del by del T is the, you can say, first term, and the remaining terms related with the that gradient. So you can write del V by del T, and this is B dot del V vector minus B multiplied by del dot V plus 1 divided by mu naught sigma del square B. And solving this one, we know well the Maxwell's second equation, del dot B equal to 0. So finally we can write del V by del T equal to del cross V cross B plus mu 1 divided by mu naught sigma del square B. First term is related again for the induction, and second term is for the diffusions. So this is called magnetic diffusion equations. There are the two terms of this one. Now we can conclude on the right hand side the terms related with the induction. First term, if the V is 0, there is no induction at all, the velocity of the particle is 0, then the above equation becomes the purely diffusion equation, del V by del T equal to 1 divided by mu naught sigma divided by del square B. If you write the eta equal to 1 divided by mu naught sigma, that is the called the magnetic diffusivity. This is the constant or diffusion coefficients we can say. So del by del T equal to the eta del square B, and this is all about this magnetic diffusion. This is sufficient for today. Thank you very much.